And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera just a little over an hour ago, looking north on 13th Street North. Quite a bit of sunshine out there. We're seeing partly cloudy skies at this hour, though. 2 degrees where we're at right now. That is our daytime low. We had our high at midnight at 13, and then we slid a little down the scale, and we got to 13 again at noon hour. So it's sort of been up, down, all around. Winds out of the north-northwest now. Humidity's up to 75%, and there is a change a-coming, and it's coming from the north-northwest. All these temperatures here in the positive vein will be not so positive this time when I'm talking to you tomorrow. We have snow on the way, and as you can see, this looks like one major low-pressure center with a cold front attached to it. It's actually a series of low-pressure centers that are combining, and as they do so, sliding from the northwest to the southeast. It's a slow grind, as you can see, so the system is going to be meandering into our area. Edmonton already seeing snow. Calgary's expecting snow tonight as well. Mixed precipitation will be the start of the system as it enters into southern Alberta. We'll see that rain turning to snow as the temperatures continue to drop in the overnight hours. Could see the heaviest amounts of snow tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Could see up to 20 centimeters in parts of southern Alberta, depending on where you are. Right now it looks like little lesser amounts to the north, but in the extreme south where we are, that's where the heaviest concentration appears to be going to be happening. And then as we get into Friday, we'll start to see all this start to break up, but it's really not going to be ending until late in the day Friday as far as the taps being turned off as far as precipitation goes. So the weekend is looking, the latter part of the weekend is looking a little better. You'll see that in the 5-day forecast. Still have very strong winds down in eastern Canada, some wreck house winds there. Pretty mild temperatures all in all through the Maritimes. Pretty quiet as well, although they're going to have a couple of days of rain in through the Maritimes as the system moves up the eastern seaboard. 3 degrees in Winnipeg, 7 and 0 in Regina and Saskatoon, -4 in Edmonton, and as I said, it's snowing there, quite a bit of snow already. 9 degrees in Kelowna, sunny in Vancouver right now. Area of high pressure will eventually be moving into southern Alberta from that direction. Snowing in Whitehorse and also some light flurries in Yellowknife at this hour. Overnight forecast for East Kootenay, you're looking at partly cloudy skies tonight, -4 degrees, and then flurries starting tomorrow, 1 degree for a daytime high. Your winds will be out of the north. For the Crow's Nest Pass, looking at snow developing tonight, -4 for a low. Periods of snow tomorrow, -3, dropping to -11 by mid-afternoon. For Medicine Hat, looking at that flurry activity tonight, -3 for a low, and then tomorrow you've got cloudy skies, and then your snow will be developing during the late afternoon and early evening hours. -1 dropping to -7 by mid-afternoon. Here in Lethbridge, we'll have showers tonight, turning to flurries, turning to overnight snow. 10 to 15 centimeters of snow during the day tomorrow. Could see another 5 centimeters tacked on to that during the evening hours tomorrow. And -3 degrees dropping to -9 by the afternoon hours. So there's your 5-day forecast. Tomorrow we'll start to see that snowfall. Friday it looks like we're having a lesser amount, but actually Friday we will have a good chance of seeing maybe another 5 or 6 centimeters. And then on Saturday, system really does start to pull away, but we'll have some residual snowfall. Sunday is the first day where we really see the drying effect starting to take hold. -2 for a high, and then back into positive numbers just in time for the work week for most of us. That's the way the last system timed out too, as I recall. Now, you ladies, if you've been using foundation that's irritated your skin, so you decide to switch over to the mineral powder, some mineral powders have this bismuth oxychloride, and it's a bonding ingredient that allows a lot of slip as you're putting the product on. If your skin's still irritated, read your ingredients. If that chemical is in that product, try something different. And that's our Live Better tip for this week. Have a safe evening, everyone.